Hi, it's Kelly, the Sunshine Crafter. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a quick video and it's a product close-up of Trinity stamps. You Lift Me Up, and it's a 4x3 stamp and die set. It's absolutely adorable. I mean, come on guys, seriously. Look at this stamp. These dies, each item in the stamp set has the coordinating dies, and the balloons are hollow, so you can stamp inside them, which I'm going to show you that in a moment. But as you can see, this 4x3 stamp set, it's a great price point, and it's a great addition to anybody's craft room. So you got the little guys here. They are so cute. One is looks like he can be flying up in the air, and the other one can be holding balloons, single balloon, multiple balloons, whatever you like. So this is a really, really cute stamp set, and I'm really happy that it's in my craft room. So I just want to show you, these are coordinating dies, and that is a magnet that I had from my refrigerator. I use those sometimes, the magnets that I have from my fridge. They work great on holding these little die sets. So I stamped them out so you can see or get a better idea of what they look like once they're stamped. So see there, here is where you can see where the balloons are hollow, so they stamp, which is nice what's nice about that is that they're not solid, so you can stamp them and color them whatever color you like. The only thing is, if you're going to change the shape of the balloon, you got to remember that the die won't coordinate it with that. But if you leave it in its natural state, you can still stamp inside it and die cut it out perfectly fine. So those are the balloons. I love them. They are great to do multiple balloons. So there you go. I showed you the inside there, and here's the stamp set. I just colored the little guy here real quick, and these are what they look like. These are the sentiments after they were die cut, and there's the set. Look how cute that is. I love that little man. Looks like he's flying up in the air with balloons holding him. It's so cute. So this is a card I made. Just a quick, clean and simple card. I added glossy accents to the balloon, and I used a Trinity Hearts layered heart stencil for the heart. And I added some shine to the balloons. Not to the balloon, to the clouds. It's a little hard to see here, but in person, in real life, you can see it. I added some shimmer to the balloons. I mean, I keep saying that, to the clouds. And yeah, so that's the card. And in a moment, you're going to see a few more cards from the design team. So if you get a chance, please check out Trinity Stamps blog, Instagram TV, and Facebook group for more inspiration from Trinity Stamps and from the design team members. Have a great day, guys, and stay crafty. Thank you. Bye-bye.